Let us do worksheet questions from partial fractions. If 2x square minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole cube is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube, then 2a minus 3b plus c is equal. See, whenever denominator has only repeated linear factors, take x minus 7 as some y. Therefore, x becomes y plus 7. Whenever denominator has only linear repeated factors, this is the short method. Let x minus 7 is equal to y. Therefore, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 7 whole cube is equal to 2 into, in place of x, write y plus 7 by y cube. Now this is 2 into, expand this, y square plus 14y plus 49 minus 3y minus 21 plus 5 by y cube, that is equal to 2y square plus 28y minus 3y, 25y, 98 minus 21, 77 plus 5, 82 by y cube. Now split that into different terms. 2 by y, 25 by y square, 82 by y cube. Now replace y with x minus 7. So 2 by x minus 7, 25 by x minus 7 whole square plus 82 by x minus 7 whole cube. Now if you compare this with right hand side, then a will be 2, b will be 25, c will be 82. Therefore 2a minus 3b plus c, 2a minus 3b plus c is equal to 4 minus 75 plus 82. 86 minus 75, 11. Option C. Next, if derivative of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square x minus 2 is equal to a by plus b by plus c by, then what is a plus b plus c? So before finding derivative, first you have to split this into partial fractions. 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. This should be written as a by x plus 1, b by x plus 1 whole square, c by x minus 2. Now there is a shortcut method for finding the sum of the constants. We can find c. C is the constant for a non-repeated linear factor. To find c, equate x minus 2 to 0, you will get x is equal to. Put x is equal to 2 in this, except here. Put x is equal to 2 in this, except in x minus 2. Put x is equal to 2, then what will be c? 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 whole square. This is nothing but 5 by 9. Next step, a repeated factor, wherever you have highest power, that is, constant b can be obtained by shortcut like this. Equate x plus 1 whole square to 0, will get x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 except here. Okay. Then what will be b? 2 into minus 1 plus 1 by, except in x plus 1 whole square, I have to put x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2. So this is nothing but minus 1 by minus 3, which is 1 by 2. Now the third constant a can be obtained by comparing similar coefficients on both sides. Take LCM in the right hand side, that LCM gets cancelled with this. Then 2x plus 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 2, b into x minus 2, c into x plus 1 whole square. Now comparing x square coefficients on both sides. Right hand side x square coefficient is a, x into x square, a into x square, plus here you will get x square coefficient c. Left hand side 0. So a is equal to minus c. Therefore, dy dx of a by x plus 1 minus 5 by 9 by x plus 1 b by x plus 1 whole square 1 by 3 by x plus 1 whole square c by x minus 2 5 by 9 by x plus x minus 2. Now we have to find derivatives for this. Derivative of minus 5 by 9 by x plus 1 is 5 by 9 into x plus 1 whole square will get 1 by x plus 1 whole square derivative minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. So 1 by x plus 1 whole square is minus 2 by. So this is minus 2 by 3 into x plus 1 whole cube will get. Again minus 5 by 9 into x minus 2 whole square. Now this should be compared with right hand side. And tell me what is A? A by x minus 2 whole square. So what is A minus 5 by 9? That is different from this. B is x plus 2 whole cube coefficient. C by x plus 1. That is not x. It is not x plus 2 whole cube. It should be x plus 1 whole cube. So B is minus 2 by 3. C is 5 by 9. Now the question is A plus B plus C. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Option A. So here right hand side is B by x plus 1 whole cube. Option A is correct. See, these A, B, C are different from this. Okay. Here A plus B plus C is equal to minus 2 by x minus 2 by x square into 2x minus 3 is equal to A by x, B by x square, C by 2x minus 3. As I said, for non-repeated linear factor, constant can be calculated easily like this. For finding C, equate 2x minus 3 to 0, you'll get x is equal to 3 by 2. Put x is equal to 3 by 2 except in this factor, except here. Except here, put x is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 by 2 whole square. So this is minus 2 by 9. Next step, whenever we have repeated factor, the highest power of x constant can be calculated. B can be calculated by equating x to 0. So put x is equal to 0 except here, except here. So minus 2 by minus 3 will get. That is 2 by 3. Then how to get A? Take LCM. After taking LCM, that LCM gets cancelled. So A into x into 2x minus 3. B into 2x minus 3. C into x square. Now comparing x square coefficients. 2ax square plus c is equal to 0. So from this a is equal to minus c by 2. So 1 by 9. Now the question is 2 into a minus c. 2 into a minus c is equal to 2 into a is 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So this is 2 into 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3, which is equal to B. Option D. 42 minus 13x by write factors for x square plus x minus 6. You will get x plus 3 into x minus 2. This is equal to a by lx plus l, b by px plus q, where l into m is positive. So by compare these two, lx plus m should be x plus 3, px plus q should be equal to x minus 2, because given that l into m positive, so l is 1, m is 3, and p into q is negative given. So p is 1, q is minus 2, then only we will get p into q as negative. Therefore, this is a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 2. Now, to find a and b, we have shortcut method. For finding a, equate x plus 3 to 0, you get x minus 3. Put x minus 3 except here. So 42 minus 13 into minus 3 by minus 3 minus 2, 81 minus 81 by 5. Next, to find b, equate x minus 2 to 0, you'll get x is equal to, put x is equal to except here. So 42 minus 13 into 2 by 2 plus 3. So 42 minus 26 is 16 by 5. This is b. Now the question is ALP by A into L into P by B into M into T. A is 81 by 5, L is 1, P is 1 by B is 16 by 5 into M 3 Q minus 5 gets cancelled. Sorry, this is minus 81. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 27s. So 27 by 32. Option A. Next. X square plus 7 by x square plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus. Now you have to find determinant of that matrix. For that we require ABC. Already I told you short method for finding A. Equate x minus 2 to 0. We'll get x is equal to, put x is equal to except here. So this is 11 by 5. Next, constants can be obtained by comparing similar coefficients. Take LCM in right hand side, that LCM gets cancelled. Comparing x square coefficients, left hand side 1, right hand side is a plus b. So from that b will be 1 minus 11 by 5, which is minus 6 by 5. Next, by comparing constants on both sides, 7 is equal to a into 1, a into 1, a, c into minus 2, minus 2c. So from that 2c is equal to a minus 7. 7 minus 35 minus 24. So c is equal to minus 12 by 5. Now you have to find determinant of a 11 by 5, b minus 6 by 5, c minus 12 by 5 into 2 by 5. Now this is nothing but 11 by 5 into 2 by 5, 22 by 25 minus 72 by 25. So this is minus 50 by 25, which is minus 2. Option D. Now here x square plus 3 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. This can be done simply like this. Take x square is equal to something. So this becomes t plus 3 by t plus 1 into t plus 2. Now this can be written as a by t plus 1, b by t plus 2, and we have shortcut method for finding a. How to find a? Equate t plus 1 to 0. You get t is equal to minus 1. Put t is equal to minus 1 except here. So a will be 2. How to get b? Put t is equal to minus 2 except here. Therefore, x square plus 3 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal to a by t plus 1, that is 2 by x square plus 1 plus minus 1 by x square plus 2. Now compare this with the right hand side term given. Then what is a? A is 0, b is 2. Cx plus d. C is 0, d is minus 1. Therefore, what is a plus b plus c plus d? 1. Option D. Next question. 32x square plus 186x by x square plus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 37x plus 1 by plus lambda by. Now, after taking LCM, that LCM gets cancelled and you get 37x plus 1 into x plus 5 plus lambda into x square plus 1. The question is finding lambda here, comparing constants on both sides. By comparing constants, left hand side 0, right hand side, here you get 5 into 1, 5. Here you get lambda into 1, lambda. So lambda is minus 5, implies lambda by 2 will be minus 5 by 2. Option D. X1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is given as ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square minus x plus 1. Then what is cos inverse? Cos inverse of a plus b plus c plus d. 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to ax plus b by plus cx plus d by. Then cos inverse of a plus b plus c plus d. So the denominator, left hand side denominator can be written like this: x square plus 1 whole square. Denominator can be written as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. It is like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. This is given as ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by. Now, after taking LCM in right hand side, that gets cancelled. So, what is left out? 1 is equal to ax plus b into x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into. Now, comparing, we require cos inverse of a plus b plus c plus d, right? Comparing x cube coefficients on both sides. Left hand side 0, right hand side ax into x square, ax cube a, cx into x square, cx cube c. So a plus c I got 0. Here no need to find all the constants. We require a plus b plus c plus d. Now compare constants on both sides. Left hand side constant is 1, right hand side constant is b into 1. D into 1 d. Therefore, what is a plus b plus c plus d? So cos inverse of a, by adding these two, what is a plus b plus c plus d? 1. Cos inverse 1 is 0. Option B. If x square plus 5 by x square plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus bx plus c by x. Take LCM. After taking LCM, that LCM gets cancelled. And this is left out. Before that, we can find a. What is the short method for finding a? Put x is equal to except that x minus 2. So 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 1, which is 9 by 5. So I got a as 9 by 5. Now take LCM. After taking LCM, you get like this. Comparing x square coefficients on both sides. Left hand side is 1, right hand side is ax square a, bx square b. So a plus b is 1. Then comparing constants on both sides. Comparing constants. Left hand side constant is 5, right hand side constant is a into 1a minus 2c. From that you can find C. So 2C is equal to A minus 5. 9 by 5 minus 5. 9 minus 25 minus 16. So from this C is equal to minus 8 by 5. C is known, A plus B is known. Therefore, what is A plus B plus C? A plus B is 1. C is minus 8 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 is the final answer. Option C. Now here, no need to do the partial fractions procedure. The question is finding A plus B plus C plus D plus E, right? If I put 0, one second. Okay. Let x square plus 1 is equal to t. Therefore, x power 4 plus 24 x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube will become, from this x square is equal to t minus 1. X power 4 will be t minus 1 whole square plus 24 into t minus 1 plus 28 by t cube. So this is t square 24t minus 2t, 22t constant, minus 24 plus minus 24 plus 28, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by t cube. So after simplification, you get 1 by t, 22 by t square, 5 by t cube, and replace t with x square plus 1 and compare with right hand side terms. So this is 1 by x square plus 1, 22 by x square plus 1 whole square, 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. Now if you compare with the right hand side terms, ax plus b is 1. So a is 0, b is 1, c is 0, d is 22, e is 0, f is 5. Now add all those. Answer will be 28, option C. Next, reduction of proper fraction f of x by g of x into sum of partial fractions depends upon. So the type of partial fraction depends upon the factors which you get in denominator, that is g of x. So it's a theoretical question. Option B is the correct answer. The type of partial fraction depends upon the factors which you have in denominator, that is g of x. Next. Now here already I told you the shortcut for method for finding c is equate this to 0, you'll get x minus 3. Put x minus 3 except here. And whenever you have repeated factor, the highest power of x plus 1 constant you can find. That is b you can find by taking x is equal to minus 1 except here. Then how to find a? Take LCM. That LCM gets cancelled. A into x plus 1 into x plus 3. B into x plus 3. C into. Now we require a comparing x square coefficients, left hand side 0, right hand side a into x square plus c into x square you get. So a is nothing but minus c, 11 by 4. So this is a is now 4a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 4 into 11, 2 into b minus 5, 4 into c minus 11. And answer is minus 5, option B. Now here numerator degree is 4. If numerator degree is greater than or equal to denominator degree, then it is known as improper fraction. Here numerator degree is 4, denominator degree is 3, 4 is greater than 3, so it is known as improper fraction. Even if degrees are equal also, it is known as improper. Whenever numerator degree is less than denominator degree, it is known as proper fraction. So option B. Here the question is finding only B. For finding B, equate x plus 6 to 0, put x is equal to minus 6 except here. So 67 by 50. Option D. Here the question is finding only A. After taking LCM, you get Ax minus 1 is equal to x into x plus 2 minus 1 into 1 minus x plus x. To find A, compare x coefficients. Left hand side A. Right hand side you will get 2x2 plus 1. Here you will get plus x. So A is equal to 3. Just by comparing x coefficients, option. As I already told you, whenever denominator has only repeated linear factors, take x minus 3 is equal to some t. Therefore, x square plus 5x plus 7y minus 3 whole cube is equal to x is t plus 3. Simplify numerator t square plus 60 plus 5t 11t, 9 plus 15 24 plus 7 31 by t cube. This is 1 by t plus 11 by t square 31 by t cube. So A is equal to 1. Option C. Next, 1 by a square minus x square can be written as 1 by a plus x. 1 by a plus x into a minus x. This can be written like this 1 by 2a into b by a plus x into a minus x. So multiply and divide with 2a. And the 2a can be written as a plus x plus a minus x by, so this is 1 by a minus x, 1 by a plus x. Option C. X square plus 2x plus 3 by x cube is very simple. Split this into terms 1 by x, 2 by x square, 3 by x cube. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So A plus B minus C will be 0. Option D. Next 5x square plus 2 by x cube plus x, take x common. This is A1 by x given, A2x plus A3 by x square plus 1 given. Already we know the short method for finding A1. Put x is equal to 0 except here. So we will get A1 as 2. Next, after taking LCM, that LCM gets cancelled. Now comparing x square coefficients on both sides, 5 is equal to a1 plus a2 you will get. a1 is already 2, so a2 will be 3. Next, we require A3. Comparing constants on both sides, left hand side is 2, right hand side A1 into 1, we require A3, right? So comparing x coefficients on both sides, left hand side 0, right hand side will be only A3, x coefficient. So A3 is 0, A1 is 2, A2 is 3, 2, 3, 0, option C. Sure, sir. K cube, k power 5 by 5 plus k cube by 3 plus 7 by 15k, where k is any natural number is dash. Since k is natural number, I am taking k as 1. So it becomes 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 7 by 15. LCM is 15, so you get 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is 1. So it is a natural number. Even if you want, you can take k as 2, 2 power 5, 32 by 5, 8 by 3, 7 by 30. LCM is 30, 632s, 192 plus 80 plus 7. So 199 plus 80, 79 by 30. So it's always a natural number. Okay. Option A. Next. 2x square by 2x square plus 2x plus 1 by. Denominator take x square common, you get x minus 1. This can be written as a by x, b by x square, c by x minus 1. And we have a shortcut method for finding c. Put x is equal to 1 except here. Then c will be 5. C 5 means obviously option C is the correct answer. Because there only we have C has 5. Next. So C you can find directly by putting x is equal to except here. C is 5 by 8. After taking LCM, LCM gets cancelled on both sides. Then you get ax plus b into x minus 2, c into x square plus 4. Comparing x square coefficients on both sides, a plus c is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 minus 5 by 8, which is 3 by 8. Comparing constants on both sides, 1 is equal to minus 2b plus 4c. From that, 2b is equal to 4c minus 1, which is 5 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2. So b will be 3 by 4. The question is finding a plus b minus c. 3 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. LCM is 8. 1 by 2 is the final answer. Option B. Now here, numerator degree is same as denominator degree, so it is improper fraction. When the degrees are equal, if the degree of numerator is 3 and degree of denominator is also 3, when degrees are equal, the quotient which is obtained here is ratio of coefficients of highest power of x in numerator and denominator. Here x cube coefficient is 2, in denominator x cube coefficient will be 1. Ratio of that 2 will be 2 by 1 plus a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 2. Now we have to find ABC and substitute ABC here. What is A? How to find A? Put x is equal to 1 except in this factor, then what is A? 3 by 2 into 3, which is 1 by 2. So A is 1 by 2. How to get B? Put x is equal to minus 1 except here. If we put x minus 1, numerator will be minus 1, denominator will be minus 2 into plus 1. So which is 1 by 2. And to get C, put x is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 15 by 3 minus option A. Here also degree of numerator is 4, degree of denominator is 3. Again it is an improper fraction. Whenever degree is more than denominator, degree of numerator is more than degree of denominator, to get quotient you have to divide x power 4 with denominator. When you multiply all the three factors, you get like this, x cube minus of an expression here. Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator and hence it is an improper fraction. And the question is finding p of x means you have to find a quotient. How to find a quotient means you have to divide x power 4 with the product of x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. When you multiply all those three, you get like this. This is the product of all the three factors. Now when you divide x power 4 with this, then you get x here, x cube, sorry, x power 4 minus a plus b plus c into x cube plus ab plus bc plus ca into x square minus abcx. Then you divide, subtract these two, x power 4 gets cancelled. Then you get a plus b plus c into x cube minus plus and multiply this with a plus b plus c. Then a plus b plus c into x cube and so on. Then the remaining degree will be less than this. So this is the quotient first, which is nothing but p of x. So p of x is equal to x plus a plus b plus c. Here the degree of denominator will be less than degree of quotient divisor. So option D is correct.